Hey everybody, welcome to Crafted by the Pond. This is Paula. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing for Victoriasmoon with for the diamond painting. If you don't know, Victoriasmoon is one of the largest suppliers of diamond paintings in the world. They actually have like 200 collections. They've got over 8,000 designs, and you can even send them a picture and they will design your own diamond painting from your picture. They do offer free shipping, and they have a money back guarantee. So if you get the product, you don't like it, you can send it back to them and they will refund your money. So you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so this one particular diamond painting that I'm going to do is a landscape street. And this particular, this is a big one. This is a 50 by 70, okay? And it has the round drills in it. And I'm so excited because now I actually have time to work on it. So, because this is very large, I'm filming from a different angle because I couldn't get everything in, and I still can't, because look at how long this box is, right? It's pretty big, and my camera is set up pretty high, and I don't think I can get it much higher. So anyway, long story short, their prices, you guys, are incredible. For a large, one this size, and their diamond paintings start as low as $11.99 with the free shipping. I went to Joann's yesterday, and I was just kind of doing a shelf check because that's what I do. And they had diamond paintings in there, and they weren't even this large, and they were $39.99. So I'm going to put the link down below. Please go check them out. Like I said, free shipping. They have a money back guarantee. You can't go wrong. So it did come in a piece of black paper, but I did, it was weatherproof. It was like a plastic. And I got, I took it out of there just to save some time. So everything in their kits, everything you need to do a diamond painting comes actually in the kit. But look at how, best wishes for you. I thought that was sweet. So this is a 5-dimensional, diamond painting. So let me just kind of open her up here and see what all comes in here. So it came, packaged. It wasn't damaged. This box is really, really strong. So, and like I said, everything that you need comes in this kit. Oh, wow. All right, so I'm going to put the box down. So this thing is huge. Okay, so what does it say there? Oh, it just, I don't know, a bunch of things that I don't. Premium quality, attentive service, DIY 5D diamond painting. Okay, so okay, so this is plain, and the print is actually underneath this protective cover. So, this is taking up the whole length and width of my desk. So it's very, very large. Let me just take this speaker here, put it down a little bit so I can kind of show you everything that comes with it. And you know what? Yeah, hold on, let me move all of this because I want the other side. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to kind of roll this back up. It has it has numbers or a symbol Okay, and what you do is you just peel a little bit of this back. All right, and so like this first block here, there's a lot of, it looks like L's. I'm trying to read it upside down. So what you would do is you would go down the key and try to find the L, and then they send you this bag of gems, okay, that were crystals, and you just take your handy dandy. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, let's just do this in an order that makes sense. So anyway, that's how you would find what gem to put where. And it also gives you like the scene. And I'm going to, like mine is a street. I picked a street scene, because I thought I could give it, when I complete it, to my daughter to hang in her apartment, because it is large and I could just frame it and it could be like a gift for her. And okay, so then we have another, there's a key here also for the bag of gems that they provided. So normally what you would do is you just peel back a very small amount, okay? You look on the guide for the particular gem, and look at all of these beautiful, I mean, these colors are just vibrant. And like I said, I got the round drills, and they are a little smaller, but just, I mean, they're just, there's a lot of color, there's a lot of shine. You know, I'm really, really excited. All of the bags are numbered with your key, so you know exactly which one to use. So the bags are labeled. It's very, very simple. It comes with this beautiful tool here. Okay, and look how pretty that is. That pink is just, look at that, how gorgeous. Very sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. Okay, and it also comes, like I said, with everything that you are going to possibly need. Sorry about the crinkling. Like I said, I just undid the one box. So, it comes with a tool. All right, and some nice, oh, those are some nice tweezers. They're not like plastic, guys, they're metal. That's great. All right, and then it comes with a small tray, and it looks like it comes with this here. Maybe, I don't know. Figure that out after. And then here is the wax that you use to kind of, you just peel, it's got a protective cover on there, and then you just, what you do is you take your tip and you just kind of punch it a little bit, and then the beads, your gems will stick right to it, and then you apply it here to your actual painting. So there is a lot here, you guys, for $11.99. I mean, that is a great bargain, in my opinion. The price is good. Yeah, and I'm really, really looking forward to getting started on this. I think I may bring this downstairs on in the other room. So, like when my husband is watching TV and it's something that I don't care to watch, that I can do this. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing. Periodically, I'll be doing some updates on my progress on where I am with it. It is my understanding that it's a very relaxing kind of thing to do. It's not very stressful. There's not a lot of there's no measuring, there's no cutting. It's picking a color. It is best if you start like working on one end and just kind of work your way across and up, because if you touch this the actual painting itself is tacky, if that makes sense to you. And so if you don't want to skip around and do other various sorts of areas at one time, because it'll lose the stickiness, and you need that stickiness so that the gems will fit. Okay, so anyway, guys, like I said, I'm going to come back and I will give you an update periodically on how things are going with my Victoriamoon 5D diamond painting, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave the link to Victoriasmoon down below. If you're interested, check them out. They're having a 50% off sale right now. So, hey guys, go check them out. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Have a wonderful day. Be sweet and be kind, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.